China is winning the humanoid war, and even Elon Musk is starting to worry. In just a few years, China has gone from following the US to leading the world in humanoid robotics. Startups like EngineAI and Unitree Robotics are pushing the boundaries with robots that can learn, adapt, and take on complex jobs, from sorting garbage and delivering medicine to patrolling the streets and even assisting in factories. China's robots are already doing jobs that humans used to do. As a showcase of their improvements, China recently hosted the first humanoid robot half marathon, with robots like the Tiangong Ultra running 13 miles. And even in May, China held the first robotic boxing game, showing off their physical capabilities. And guess what's driving this boom in robotics? AI, of course, because those robots are not just programmed to follow orders anymore. They can learn on their own, thanks to advanced AI models like DeepSeek or Qwen. These machines can learn themselves new tasks, making them more adaptable and smarter. And it's not just about factory work anymore. These robots are trained for military use, elderly care, and even high-end customer service. China's government is backing this revolution with billions of dollars in funding. In fact, the country has invested over $100 billion in robotics and high-tech industries. And thanks to this support, it helped create the world's first generation of affordable humanoids. Actually, the Chinese robotics company UB Tech just announced plans to launch a $20,000 humanoid robot for later this year. The direct challenge to Tesla Optimus robots. Now, even Elon Musk is worried. While Tesla's Optimus robot is a strong competitor, Musk just admitted that China may indeed dominate the humanoid robot market. According to him, ranks 2 to 10 in the global robot leaderboard will likely belong to Chinese companies. And here's a telling stat for you. China has already the highest robot density in factories worldwide, with 470 robots per 10,000 employees. That's higher than Germany and Japan. And in comparison, the US has just 295 robots per 10,000 employees. And believe me, this does matter because the humanoid robot market is expected to be worth $7 trillion by 2050, according to Citigroup. And China is clearly positioning itself as the global leader, with being on track to produce over 10,000 humanoid robots just this year.